world of Amazon FBA is competitive, and to succeed, you need the right tools to streamline your operations and maximize your profits. Whether it's product research, keyword optimization, or inventory management, having the best skills can make all the difference. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 5 Amazon FBA tools that you need to know about. These tools will help you scale your business, save time, and stay ahead of the competition. So without further ado, let's get into them. At number 1, we have Helium 10. Helium 10 is widely regarded as one of the most powerful all-in-one tools for Amazon sellers. It features a suite of over 20 tools designed to streamline nearly every aspect of your Amazon FBA business. One of its standout features is called Black Box, which enables sellers to discover profitable product ideas by filtering results based on niche-specific criteria like price range, monthly sales, and competition level. For instance, you can pinpoint opportunities where demand is high but competition is low, and a gold mine for new sellers. Another essential feature is Cerebro. This is its reverse ASIN lookup tool. By entering a competitor's product ASIN, Cerebro delivers a list of the most valuable keywords currently driving traffic to that listing. This gives you actionable data for optimizing your own product listings to rank higher in search results. X-Ray is another one of Helium 10's Chrome extensions, and it provides a quick snapshot of critical data like estimated revenue, sales trends, and fees directly on Amazon's platform, saving time during product research. Helium 10 also offers inventory management and profits dashboard to track stock levels and real-time financial performance, giving you a complete picture of your business health. Pricing starts at about $39 a month for starter plans, which is great for beginners. However, the Platinum plan at $99 a month includes unlimited access to core tools and is perfect for scaling sellers. For those managing large inventories, the Diamond plan at about $249 a month offers advanced analytics and multi-user access. To get started with Helium 10, I would highly recommend using the link down in the description, as you can get an amazing discount using one of our codes at checkout. As you can see, when you click that link, you'll be brought to this page here, where you can either use Ecom Mastery 20 or Ecom Mastery 10 at checkout. Ecom Mastery 20 will get you 20% off 6 months when you use it at checkout. As you can see, these are the pricing plans that you have to choose from: the Diamond plan, the Platinum plan, and the Starter plan. Each of them priced pretty affordably depending on what your budget is and the specific needs of the features that you need. Also, you get a massive discount when you switch to the annual pricing versus the monthly pricing. The next platform we'll be talking about is JungleScout. JungleScout has built a reputation as one of the best tools for product research, and for good reason. Its product database allows you to sift through millions of products using filters like sales velocity, revenue potential, and even reviews. Whether you're looking for a high-ticket item or a low-cost, fast-moving product, JungleScout provides reliable insights backed by historical data. The Opportunity Finder is another standout feature with JungleScout, helping sellers uncover untapped niches by analyzing market trends and competition. For example, sellers can identify categories with high buyer demand but relatively few sellers, allowing them to dominate that space. JungleScout's supplier database goes beyond just finding products. It connects you to vetted suppliers, making it easier to source products at competitive prices. Another useful feature is the Keyword Scout, which helps you find and track keywords relevant to your product listings. You can monitor ranking changes over time, ensuring that your products remain visible to potential buyers. JungleScout's pricing starts at about $49 a month for their basic plan, but for serious sellers, the professional plan starts at about $129 a month. This includes advanced features like historical data, keyword rank tracking, and sales analytics. To get started with JungleScout, make sure you use the link down in the description, which will be right down here. Once you guys click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. I can click the Save 30% button, which will then take me down to their exclusive pricing tiers. They have the 1-month tier for $59, the 3-month tier for $149, and their 1 year for about $399. Now remember, when you use our link, this is the only way to get access to these discounts. So if you're thinking about getting started with them, this is probably one of the best ways to do so. As you can see, with their 1-year plan, you're going to get about 30% off your total purchase, which would normally be about $588. As you can see, these are the features that you get access to, and they're pretty much everything that you get inside of Helium 10, plus some specifics that are really specialized only for JungleScout. The next platform we'll be talking about is Keepa. Keepa may not be as flashy as other tools, but it's indispensable for data-driven sellers. Its primary focus is on price and sales rank tracking, making it a must-have for those who rely on detailed insights to make informed decisions. With Keepa's price history charts, you can analyze how your product's price has fluctuated over time. This data is critical for wholesale and retail arbitrage sellers who want to buy products when prices are at their lowest and sell during peak and demand periods. The sales rank tracking feature gives you an overview of how a product performs in its category. For example, you can track a competitor's sales trends and use that data to adjust your own pricing or promotions. Keepa's browser extension integrates directly into Amazon product pages, overlaying this vital information in real time. Keepa's pricing is straightforward, the premium subscription costing at about $19 a month. It's one of the most affordable tools for sellers who need detailed historical data to stay competitive. Whether you're analyzing potential investments or monitoring your own product portfolio, Keepa simplifies this process with clean, actionable data. The next platform we'll be talking about is Koala Inspector. Koala is a game changer for sellers managing multiple SKUs and inventory sources. This all-in-one platform integrates product research, listing management, and performance tracking seamlessly. With its powerful Chrome extension, Koala allows you to analyze products on Amazon in real time, providing crucial data like fees, ROI, sales rank, and even historical trends. This feature ensures that you make informed sourcing decisions completely on your own. What makes Koala stand out is its advanced analytics dashboard, which gives you deep insights into product performance, sales trends, and even profitability. You can filter and segment data by category, supplier, or individual product to identify products and opportunities for growth and improvement. Additionally, Koala simplifies listing optimization with built-in tools that let you refine keywords, pricing, and descriptions to boost visibility and conversions. Koala Inspector is priced at about $49 a month, and Koala is pretty much a must-have for sellers who are looking to scale efficiently while maintaining control over their operations. It has robust analytics and optimization features that help you stay ahead of your competition and make data-driven decisions every step of the way. If you guys want to get started with Koala Inspector, make sure you use the link down in the description. It should take you to their Chrome extension page. You simply have to add their extension, which will then be pinned to the top right here in your extensions tab, where you can then start going to any website you can think of and analyzing what type of products they have, as well as all the other features we just talked about. Let's say, for instance, we wanted to go take a look at Princess Polly and see what their most trending product that's currently selling is. We'll go up and activate our Koala Inspector plugin, head on down here to Live Trends, click on the All Live Trends button, and in an instant, we have every single trending product that is currently selling the best on their website. As you can see, they're up over 4,600% just over the last month with this imposter top cherry red. This is obviously an easy way to see what kind of products are trending right now, as well as see what actually is selling and what's being hip with people who are actually purchasing from this person, or in this case, website. Now, the very last platform we'll be talking about is FeedbackWhiz. FeedbackWhiz is all about building a strong reputation on Amazon through better customer engagement. With its email automation tools, you can send personalized follow-ups to buyers requesting reviews or resolving potential issues before they escalate. These emails are customizable, allowing you to maintain your brand voice while encouraging positive interactions. The review monitoring feature notifies you whether a negative review is posted, enabling you to address customer concerns quickly. This is crucial for maintaining a high seller rating, which drastically impacts your product visibility on Amazon. Additionally, FeedbackWhiz provides analytics that helps you identify trends and customer feedback, allowing you to improve your products and customer experience over time. Pricing for this starts at about $19.99 a month, making FeedbackWhiz an affordable yet powerful tool for managing your brand's reputation. By automating these critical tasks, you can focus on scaling your business while ensuring customer satisfaction and loyalty. Now, just to show you a quick look about what's inside Helium 10, as I do think that this is one of the most valuable Amazon FBA tools that we talked about in this video, I just want to show you a little bit on how it works. As you can see, we're on their dashboard right now, where we'll simply connect our Amazon account so we can start seeing exactly what's inside of our Amazon FBA account and how sales are going. If you want to access some of their tools, we'll head up to the top here, click on the tools button, and see every single tool that they have at our disposal. They have their black box tool for product research, they have their Cerebro tool for reverse product lookup, their magnet tool for keyword research, as well as their listing analyzer and their listing builder. This is amazingly powerful because we could build our entire Amazon listing using artificial intelligence. That way we don't have to waste time coming up with the descriptions, keywords, or any other annoying information that sometimes can be a little bit difficult to think of. There's also their product research tool, which is as easy as finding a popular product's ASIN category or looking for specific features or categories that we want to look for in a product that we're planning on selling. As you can see here, we can look here and say for this marketplace item, we could say what category we're planning on selling in. Let's say for this instance, we're planning on selling the appliances, and let's say they need a little bit of improvement. The competition range could be low to medium, so we'll say medium. And we want to sell my product for about $30 to $100 with a monthly revenue of $1,000 to $10,000. We'll hit the search button, which will then bring up these categories and products right here. As you can see, we have a bunch of different things that we can choose from. Propane gas cooktops, countertop ice makers, and a bunch of other products that are potentially very easy to make sales for. You can just scroll through these and see any of these that we want to choose from. Once we find a good product that we like, we can simply select it here and then hit the save product idea. We can also run a listing analyzer on it or Cerebro to figure out the keywords for this, or make our own listing and analyze whether or not this listing is even effective in the first place. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have questions about any of these tools that we used in this video or want to get started with any of them, make sure you either check out the links down in the description or comment down below if there's any that you think I missed. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so that way you can check out more of our videos in the future. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.